everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on how do astronauts live in space. Astronauts live on the International Space Station ISS. They float because there is no gravity. They sleep in special sleeping bags. Astronauts eat dried and packaged food. They drink water from recycled sources. They exercise every day to stay healthy. Astronauts wear special clothes for spacewalks. They use special toilets that work without gravity. They do science experiments in space. Astronauts talk to their families using video calls. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.